Hi folks, and welcome to Martin's Sticky Buns. This time I have decided that I'm going to make a jam, gooseberry jam. These little beauties contain enough pectin to make the jam themselves, so these and then an equal quantity of granulated sugar. That's about it. We're going to top and tail them. That's basically cutting off the stalk at one end and the wilted flower at the other end. I've got this little pot here just as a temporary bin. Last one now, and that's the topping and tailing done. They're already washed. Now I'll just weigh them to see how much sugar we need. $235 grams. Right, that's that then. Gooseberries in the pan, sugar waiting to be added. All we're going to do is put a little bit of water in with the gooseberries, then we'll stick them on the heat for about 10-15 minutes, give them a little cook down. My favourite little jars. I've already had a wash. Now it comes to drying them out, and the oven is the perfect thing for the job. That's what the gooseberries are looking like now. Starting to soften very nicely. About 5 minutes gone so far, and look at how soft they're becoming. It's looking soft enough as if I can have the sugar. Right, that's all the sugar dissolved. Bubbling away nicely it is. Gooseberries are well broken down now. Right, it looks to be just about ready. I'm going to get my bowl from the freezer to test it for setting. Not sure if you can see this very well. Moving very, very slightly. That's it. That to me means it's done. That, my friends, is gooseberry jam. With a lid. That'll stay in the jar for at least 1 month. Little taster in the bowl. That's going to set very well to start with. It's got a lovely flavour. Can't wait for a month to get back and I'll be able to open that. Well, that's all I've got time for, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you all again next time. See ya. That's great jam. 2 ingredients and that. I'm well impressed.